Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today I took a trip to Hobby Lobby to find out what was new and also to find out if they had any great sales. It does look like they do have quite a few new products. As always, the flowers were absolutely beautiful. They had so many beautiful neutrals, but they also had a lot of the really pretty spring colors like the pinks and the reds and a lot of greenery. So I hope you enjoy the video. I know some people like just the music, some people like me talking. I'm going to try to do a little bit of both, and so just play a little bit of music in here and then also do a little talking every so often. I hope you enjoy the video and you're having a wonderful day. I'm back again. I think the thing to keep in mind at Hobby Lobby is that the prices sometimes seem extremely high. Well, at least to me they do. They seem pretty high, but they have great sales, so you do have to watch out for that. There were a few things I liked, but I didn't find the fact that they were on sale, so I decided not to purchase those items, but they had amazing wood pieces. As you can see here, so many great wood pieces. A lot of neutral wood. You've been seeing a lot of the dark wood and a lot of the medium wood, but as you can see, this is more of the bleached or whitewashed wood. Very pretty pieces. These are pieces, wood, stone, pottery. These are pieces you can keep for years and years, even decades. As if you've watched some of my videos, you know the things I tell you to look for are always the weight of an item. Pick up an item. If it's pottery, pick it up. If it's really light, it's probably not the greatest quality. You can definitely get it. However, just to keep in mind, if it's really thin like that, it may be more prone to like chipping and cracking if it gets knocked over. But you know what? If you love it, you know, get it. And don't go into debt for it, but do get it. So I tried to show prices where I could, but there were a lot of items. So just make sure you can go online also. I believe you can order online from Hobby Lobby and have it shipped to you. But if you can go into the store, check the prices, check the sales, and then hopefully you'll be able to find something on sale. I did see quite a few of the same items I saw the last time I was at Hobby Lobby, as you'll recognize these orange chairs, but you'll also notice they're now on 30% off sale. As you can see, there are tons of baskets. That's one thing Hobby Lobby does really well. They have the most beautiful baskets and such a great variety. I think At Home is another one that has really good baskets, but they just had beautiful baskets. And yes, you can see quite larger and lower profile baskets. They were all 40% off. And that's another thing you can keep for a very long time. Pottery, wood pieces, really high quality baskets, and also just pieces that you love. So anyway, I did see quite a few baskets, and hopefully got a few of those in here for you. And then also they had a few new pieces of rattan and wicker furniture, and they still had the same a few amber pieces they had last time. I did get a few of those in here because they're still there. You can see they have tons of outdoor mats and outdoor pillows, and they were really pretty. They were also on sale and 40% off. You probably noticed the things I find that I love the best. I always sort of focus on those for quite a bit in the videos. I did not purchase anything today because honestly, I found a lot of stuff I'd like to have, but I just don't have anywhere to put it. but I did find a lot of pieces I'd like to have. The best part is everything I wanted except one item was on sale. As you can see, this cute little setup here would be really cute on a covered porch, or even on, if you have a sunroom. They did have a lot of really good things. They had the papasan chairs. They had the black with the wicker, the rattan black, and they had the black cushion on it. Those were super cute, and it was also on sale for $199. I tried to get those in the video. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything, you need anything at all, just let me know, and I hope you are having a wonderful day, and that you're having a wonderful year, and that I hope to see you back sometime on one of my other videos. I do have my thrift videos starting this week, and some of the items I purchased from those will be for sale on my eBay store. I'll include more information about that. But right now I don't have that many. I used to sell a ton of stuff on eBay that I found in thrift stores, and I stopped because I got so busy. But have a great day, and look for those videos coming up soon.